you have a property, if any one column, all the elements are 0, value of determinant is 0. As function of x, it is easy. Rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. See, pi by 6 decides whether the function is positive or negative. Means what? Derivative of the internal function x divided by 2y minus 1. That's it. Interesting shortcut. Helps you to do the process faster. And but variable, favor variable is logarithmic differentiation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To differentiate, don't use logarithm and waste time. 21st question, they gave a is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 and a power n value is 2 power ka, where k value is. So trial with k. So now if I take n is equal to 1, then a power 1 becomes a. Do you agree? And RHS becomes 2 power k into a. 2 power k into a means I want a, so k has to be 0. That is one of the options. So k has to be 0. When n is 1, k should be 0. So now if I put n as 1, k value should give, they want you to find k. First I took a power n is equal to 2k and I'll put a is equal to n 1 adre, n is 1 means 2 power k becomes, so k, 2 power k becomes a by a. That is 2 power k is 1 or k is 0. So simple, when n is 1, k is 0. This will help you to eliminate. When n, in the place of n, if I put 1, n 1 hakadre 2 ones are 2 minus 1, it will not give 0. In the place of n, if I put 1, 1 plus 1 is not 0. In the place of n, if I put 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, this may be the possible answer. In the place of n, if I put 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into 2 is also 0. But n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ k value 0 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So when n is 1, k should be 0. By this I can select these two, because there are 2, I have to continue, means I have to do induction. Means now what I will do, I will find a square. A square means a into a, 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. You know, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, and 2 into 2 is 4, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 8, then 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 minus 8, and this will become 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, plus 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 8. You will get this. Now I want to write in terms of 2 power into a ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ take, see, a means made up of 2, so I will take 4 common. If I take 4 common, 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I can write it as 2 square a. See, now a square can be written as 2 square a. When n is 2, I am getting 2 square a, but here I have 2 power k into a. So by value of k, see here, by assumption, see, now when n is 2, you should get k value also as 2. Now in the place of n, put 2 and try. So if I put n is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, k 1 ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, n 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ k 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, k value ಬೇಕು. n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ, 2 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, k will become 1. It is wrong. So here in the place of n, put 2, 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 into 1 is 2. When n is 2, your k is also 2 in this option, so option D. Interesting method of mathematical induction. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 2 power k into a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ k 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. n 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ k 0 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, n 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ k 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು. When n is equal to 1 to k is equal to 0 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 options will satisfy. So to eliminate, I have to go one more iteration, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square. If you cannot eliminate, then you should do a cube, like that. This is by process of mathematical induction. What is the method? Process of mathematical induction. First, n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ a is equal to 2 power k ಆಗಾಯಿತು. 2 power k a means this should not be there, means k should be 0. K is 0, 2 options will satisfy. That's why I tried a square. Next, they give product of 2 matrices is this. They want x and y. Means first convert this into single matrix. If a is 1 1 minus 1 1 xy is equal to 2 4, you want to find x and y. I'll multiply these two. All of you know matrix multiplication. First row with first column, 1 into x is x, 1 into y is equal to first element. First row with second row with first column, minus x, 1 into y is y. This is the matrix, is equal to second element. Now simultaneous equations, add them. If I add, cancels, 2y is equal to 6 or y is 3. You got y value 3. Put y is equal to 3 in any one of the equations. I'll take first one, x plus y equal to 2. In the place of y, I'll put 3. So now what is x? Minus 1. Minus 1 comma 3. So where is minus 1 comma 3? Do we have minus 1 comma 3? Yes. Option D. Simple and direct. Matrix multiplication ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So ಇದೆರಡು matrix multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ first element x plus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, second element minus x plus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Two matrices equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements has to be what? Equal. That's it. Then now they gave a value, they want a into a dash. They want a into a dash. A dash means what? Complement. So just you multiply, it will be faster. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟು ಬೇಡ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 2 cross 2 multiplication does not take more time, and transformation of this is also does not take more time. So regular method you can do. So a dash means cos alpha, and first column and second column minus sin alpha cos alpha. So first row with first column, if you multiply, cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha, plus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Directly I'll write. And first row with second column, cos alpha minus sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, plus sin alpha into cos alpha is cos alpha sin alpha, or sin alpha into cos alpha. Then third second row with first column, minus sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha, plus second row with second column, plus minus into minus becomes plus sin alpha. This is first row with first column. We have done first row, minus into plus minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos into sin, cos alpha into sin alpha ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And second row with second column, if you do minus into minus plus sin into sin, sin square alpha, cos into cos, cos square alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And these two cancels, these two cancels. Cancel means it becomes 0. 1 0, sorry 1 0 0 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 0 0 1 is what? Identity matrix. A 0 matrix A dash I is the answer. A into A dash if you do enough. So first element ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cos into cos, cos square alpha plus sin into sin, sin square alpha. All of you know cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is what? 1. That's what I wrote. Here also you'll get 1. This 2 cancels, it becomes 0. Next, 5 power x plus 5 power minus x whole square, 6 power x plus 6 power minus x whole square, 7 power x plus 7 power minus x the whole square. Same thing they gave, but in between minus is there. 1 1 1. They want you to find the value of determinant, and they told x y z also they gave. We don't want x y z because this is made up of only x, or in real numbers they told. Means in the place of x you choose any real number and reduce. That is one thing. Other thing is, all of you know a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. If you do, all of you know what is a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. This will give you 2ab, this will give you minus 2ab, 4ab ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Do you agree? Or a plus b the whole square plus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2ab plus 2ab, a square plus b square, or better do minus, or number of terms reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. Why I am telling this? ಇದು a plus b the whole square ನೋಡಿ, 5 power x plus 5 power minus x, ಇದು 5 power x minus 5 power minus x. Observation. So if I do c1 dash is equal to c1 plus c2, then what happens? This plus this gives you 4ab. 4 times a means 5 power x into 5 power minus x. Similarly 4 into 6 power x, 6 power minus x. 4 into 7 power x, 7 power minus x. And remaining I'll retain as it is. ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I'll write this as 5 power x minus 5 power minus x, 6 power x, 6 power minus x, 7 power x minus 7 power minus x, 1 1 1. Now all of you know a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. X plus minus x, x minus x, x minus x is to 0. Anything power 0 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this will become, ನೋಡಿ, just I'll take 5 power x into 5 power minus x. What is a power m into a power n? A power m plus n. 5 plus minus x, 5 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. So we'll get 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4 into 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 4, ಇದು 4, 4 and second column 5 power x minus 5 power minus x, 6 power x minus 6 power minus x, 7 power x minus 7 power minus x, 1, 1, 1. Now if you take 4 out, two columns will become identical. If any two columns are identical, value of determinant is 0. I will take 4 out, it will become 1, 1, 1. Last column is also 1, 1, 1. Second column you have 5 power x minus 5 power minus x, all those things. But here first column and last column are identical, so value of determinant is 0. So option D, one method. In this method, I observed that this is a plus b the whole square, this is a minus b the whole square. If I add, it will become 4ab. What is a plus b the whole square? Minus 4a minus b the whole square, 4ab. Then other technique of solving this problem, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ real numbers ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ the best technique is assume a simple real number, take x as 0. If I take x as 0, anything power 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 is a real number. Minus 0 is neither positive, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 plus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 2, 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 4 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 4, 4, 4 ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 1 ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 per 0 is 1, 5 per minus 0 means 5 per 0 only, 1 minus 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 0, 0, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Problem reduced. You have a property, if any one column all the elements are 0, value of determinant is 0. That's it. It is no faster. I assumed x as what? One of the variable and I got it. Two methods, and faster method is this. Means I want you people to think possibilities. The value of determinant a minus b, b plus c, c a, b minus, okay. Here a minus b, b minus a, c plus a, b, c minus a plus b. So these two columns if I add, I will get a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c should be one of the factors, one thinking. But when I observe, it is not cyclic. A minus b ಇದೆ, c minus a ಇದೆ, ಇದು b minus c ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. c minus ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, no problem. If I expand, one possibility is c2 dash ನ c2 plus c3 ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು a plus b plus c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ a plus b plus c ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Cyclical illa. So problem, any option we cannot get. So you will get grace for this. It's a wrong problem given in entrance because there is a misprint. You will see ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ a ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are the vertices of triangle they told, and they told whose area is k. They gave area also. Then they want value of this. They want they gave what they gave, area ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, area of triangle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, area triangle k ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. All of you know area of triangle. What is area of triangle? Area of triangle means what? Half into determinant of x1 y11, x2 y21, x3 y31. This is area of triangle. This is given. Either value ಎಷ್ಟು, this whole thing they gave is k. Can I say? Now they want value of this, means convert this. ಇದನ್ನು simplify ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 4 out. 4 out. If I take 4 out, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, this 4 is out, so it will become 1, 1, 1 and whole square ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Determinant the whole square means it will be square for both. So I will take square inside. 4 square ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಹಾಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ, ಅದ ನಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು 1/2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ಇಂಟು 1/2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 and whole square as it is. Now what is these two product? 4 2s ಎಷ್ಟು 8 ಇಂಟು ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಕೆ. ಸೊ 8 ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆ, half into this is k, area of triangle. This is 4 2s are 8, 8k the whole square. 8k the whole square is 64k square. So do we have 64k square? Yes. Understood this? They give area of triangle, you know area of triangle in terms of determinants. So this is k. So try to rearrange and get this part in the given question, you will get it. Simplification, rearrangement. First I want 1 1 1, I took out, and I want half, I introduced 2, divide and multiply by 2, because I want area means what, half ಬೇಕು, half miss ಆಗಿತ್ತು, divide and multiply by 2 ಮಾಡಿ, area ಅಂದರೆ 1 1 1 ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, because I know this part, this is area, what is this area, k, this is given k, ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, let A be the square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then determinant of 5A they want determinant of 5A, simple, all of you know determinant of k into A formula is what, k power n into determinant of A here, where n is the order, use this. So determinant of 5A can be written as 5 power n, n means what, order is what, 3, determinant A, what is 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 into determinant A is the answer, that's it. So do we have that? Yes, option B, simple and direct. Now f of x they give root of 1 plus k minus root of 1 minus k by x when x lies between minus 1 and 0, 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 when x lies between 0 and 1 is continuous, then what is the value of k is the question. So now we will find continuity. They told continuity means what, LHL is equal to RHL, directly I will take x less than 0, this is the function, x greater than 0, this is the function, I will take LHL is equal to RHL and I will go on solving this. I can take continuous because they told continuous. When can you say function is continuous? When left handed limit, right handed limit, functional value all are equal, I will take this. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 0, choose the function when x is less than 0, x is less than 0 means this is the function, that is root of 1 plus kx minus root of 1 minus kx by x is equal to RHL. RHL means what? Limit x tends to 0, choose this function. What is the function? 2x plus 1 by x minus 1. Now in the place of x, if you put 0, it will become root 1 minus root 1, 0 by 0, it will become 0 by 0. So avoid 0 by 0, rationalize. So rationalize takes lot of time. Numerator by denominator is always use L hospital rule or L'Hopital's rule, LHR use ಮಾಡಿ. What is LHR? Differentiate the denominator, in one shot it will get over. Now differentiate the numerator. Differentiate the denominator ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು 1 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್? 1 by 2 times root of 1 plus kx into derivative of internal function gives you k, minus this will give 1 by 2 times root of 1 minus kx into derivative of this is minus k. Now in the place of limit x tends to 0, in the place of x put 0, right side directly you apply limit because it will not give indeterminate, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿ, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, by 0 minus 1 is minus 1, RHS becomes just minus 1. Now in the place of x put 0, k zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, root 1 is 1, 1 by 2 it will become k by 2, minus ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus into minus plus, k zeros are 0, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ k into 0 becomes 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, root 1 is 1, this will also become k by 2 is equal to minus 1, k by 2 plus k by 2 is minus 1 means 2 times k by 2 is minus 1 or k is minus 1, k value we got. What is the k? Minus 1, option B. I use L'Hopital rule. What is L'Hopital rule? Differentiate numerator, differentiate denominator, then apply limit. Direct limit ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 by 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, we should not get 0 by 0. And second important thing, we have to rationalize. Rationalizing takes more time and more steps. So whenever the function is in the form of limit x tends to a f of x by g of x, ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ if it is giving you 0 by 0, then use L'Hopital rule, LHR use ಮಾಡಿ. L'Hopital's rules mean, what is the L'Hopital rule? Differentiate numerator, differentiate denominator, then apply limit. Again if it gives 0 by 0, continue the process until you get a finite value. It's a great tool which helps you to do the process better. Interesting question, if cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y with cos a not equal to plus or minus 1, dy by dx equal to, they want derivative. See, it appears as an implicit function, yes I agree, and I'll observe the answers also. Sin a cos square ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square by ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos a by sin square ಇದೆ, square ಇದೆ, it is in the form numerator by denominator and denominator square form ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So convert this implicit function as function of x, it is easy, rearrange ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ dx by dy and you can take reciprocal. that will become process becomes simple. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Why I got this idea? Because I could see cos square a plus y and it is easy to rearrange. Now differentiate. Always we used to differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. dx by dy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. So denominator the whole square. What is the denominator the whole square? Cos square a plus y. And quotient rule. Denominator into derivative of numerator. Derivative of cos y is minus sin y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು dy by dx ಬರಲ್ಲ because we are differentiating with respect to y. Minus denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Derivative of this is again minus becomes plus sin of a plus y. Observe numerator carefully. It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin a cos b ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. So can I write it as sin of a plus y? First positive term I will write this one into cos y minus second term cos of a plus y into sin y divided by cos square a plus y I will write. ನೋಡಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇದು sin a cos b minus cos a sin b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. This is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I can convert it as sin of a minus b, that is a plus y minus y divided by cos square of a plus y. So these two cancels. I got dx by dy. Dx by dy is what? Sin a divided by cos square a plus y. But I want dy by dx. Take reciprocal, finished. Take reciprocal. dy by dx. dy by dx becomes what? Cos square a plus y divided by sin a. This process is faster process and better process. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. As soon you see derivative of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx process go adre kashta. So observe the answers also, and whenever there is a possibility to convert implicit to explicit, do it. So now I made x as function of y here. Next, f of x is mod of cos x minus sin x, then f dash pi by 6 is equal to is the question. So when you observe this, modulus function is plus or minus. When you take this pi by 6, see pi by 6 decides whether the function is positive or negative. Observe this carefully. Pi by 6 is what? 30 degrees. Do you agree? 180 by 6 is 30 degrees. Cos x and sin x graphs, you know, cos 0 is pi by 2. This is cos x. This is sin x. Or if you know, both will intersect at pi by 4. Do you agree? Before pi by 4, see here 30 means what? This is 45. 30 means here. Do you agree? At 30, sin x is below, cos x is above. Therefore, cos x, f of x value, I can take positive cos x and negative sin x directly. Cos x is more than sin x. Otherwise, we will get negative. We want positive because modulus is positive. And I wrote this depending on the value of this. And you know cos x and sin x intersect at pi by 4, 45 degrees. Before 45, sin illide, kedagide, cos melide. So cos positive, sin negative. Now this is the thing. Now you know how to find f dash x. What is f dash x? Derivative of cos is minus sin x. Derivative of minus sin x is minus cos x. And in the place of x put pi by 2. Pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6. Minus sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. Cos 30 minus root 3 by 2. What is LCM? Half take out. Or I'll take out minus half, I'll take out 1 plus root 3 because answers are in the form of half into. So minus half into 1 plus root 3 I got. So first option matches. No other option suits. I hope all of you understood. Taking this is important. For this, should have knowledge of sine graph and cos graph. And you know what? They give modulus. Please be cautious. Next, very interesting, root x plus root x till infinity, they want dy by dx. If I close one root x, it is same. I can write the problem as root x plus y. y is equal to, and differentiate. And if the problem is in the form, if y is in the form of root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x, you can write it as root of till infinity, you can write it as f of root of f of x plus y and differentiate. But if this is the case, then dy by dx, you can use the shortcut. Dy by dx is f dash x by 2y minus 1. Interesting result which will help you to do the process faster. If function is in the form root f of x plus root f of x plus root f of x till infinity, dy by dx is f dash x by 2y minus 1. Just see what is f of x. Total f of x ಏನಿದೆ x ಇದೆ. So f of x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. So f dash x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, derivative of x ಎಷ್ಟು 1. So what is the answer? Shortcut is dy by dx, shortcut ಏನು f dash x by 2y minus 1. I'll substitute it. So I'll get f dash x is 1 divided by 2y minus 1. That's it. 1 by 2y minus 1. Check for the option. Yes, option D. If function is in the form root f of x plus root f of x till infinity, dy by dx is directly f dash x by 2y minus 1. Means what? Derivative of the internal function x divided by 2y minus 1. That's it. Interesting shortcut. Helps you to do the process faster and better. Now f of x is log x by x minus 1 when x is not equal to 1, and k when x is equal to 1 is continuous. They told it is continuous. They want you to find the value of k. Or continuous ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they want you to find continuous. All of you know continuous means what? LHL should be equal to RHL, should be equal to f of a. So I'll take LHL is equal to f of a because LHL ಮತ್ತೆ RHL ಗೆ function ಒಂದೇ. Not equal to means less than and greater than. LHL means what? Limit extends to, at they want you to, they are telling continuous at 1, limit extends to 1, f of x, that is log base ex divided by x minus 1 is equal to f of 1. Function value when x equal to 1 they give k is equal to k. Now in the place of x, if you put 1 minus 1 0, log 1 0, 0 by 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you know it is indeterminate. So use L'Hospital's rule. So limit extends to 1. What is L'Hospital rule? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of x is 1 is equal to k. Now in the place of x put 1. 1 by 1 by 1 is k, or k is 1. Option B. So here what is the, how to apply limit extends to 1? Log base ex divided by x minus 1, you can use L'Hospital rule. Means what? Differentiate before you apply limit. Limit extends to 1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiate numerator. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of x 1, derivative of 1 0. After you differentiate, it will become like this. And when using L'Hospital rule, what is L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator separately, differentiate denominator separately, and then you apply limit. Quotient rule ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. And it is applicable only if the function is in the form f of x by g of x. Next, approximate change. Approximate change in volume of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing side by 3%. So means they give delta x, change in x is 3%. Means what? Change in x is 3 by 100. 3 per means by 100 of x. This is given. And they want you to find the change in volume. So what is volume of cube? X cube. So dv by dx, what is derivative? 3x square, and transfer dx that side. So what is dv? 3x square into dx. I replace dv by delta. So dv means change in x. 3x square into what is dx? dx or delta x is 3%. 3 by 100 of x. So I can write 3 3s are 9. 0.09. 9% of x cube or 9% of volume. 0.09, but they gave in the form of 0.09 x cube. Simple, I differentiated. I am replacing, I am changing dv with dx, and delta v change in v, delta x change in x. Simple, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, dv by dx is this, transfer dx to that side. Now I read this as delta v, I read this as delta x, that's it. And delta x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. 3 3s ಎಷ್ಟು 9. 9 by 100, 9 by 100 is 0.09 x cube. Next, maximum value of x power 1 by x. Maximum or minimum, first step is what? Differentiate and equate it to 0. My suggestion to you, if variable favor variable is logarithmic differentiation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In your NCERT book they have clearly given logarithmic differentiation shortcut. See, if you have d by dx of, recollect this, differentiation becomes faster. If you have base and power ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, derivative is base power as it is you will get, and power by base. First term ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Power by base. First term is power by base, derivative of base. power by base derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ market, because so many situations you will get variable power variable. You have to apply log on both sides and differentiate. It is headache. It will be faster. So base power ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಸು ಪವರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು power by base derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. So now directly I'll write dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Base and power. Base ಏನು x 1 by x, power ಏನು x into power by base. Power by base means x by 1 by x into derivative of base. Derivative of what? 1 by x. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಂಟು power by base derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. That's it. So now this is the expansion. Now dy by dx in one step you can write dy by dx is what? Power x. X by 1 by x becomes x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And log of 1 by x, derivative of x is 1. And this I need to equate it to 0. And you know exponential cannot be this. Product of these two terms is 0. This cannot be 0. Equate directly this to 0. Before that I can cancel these two. I have minus 1 plus log of 1 by x 0 ಆಯಿತು. Or if I simplify, log of 1 by x 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Or that implies log of 1 by x 1 means in the place of 1 by x I should have e. So 1 by x is e. And what is x? 1 by e. Now you got x. They don't want x, maximum value. You know maximum or minimum occurs when dy by dx is 0. When dy by dx is 0, I got x. Put this x in this function. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x value ಹಾಕಿ 1 by, what is x you got? 1 by e. 1 by 1 by e power 1 by e. It will become e power 1 by e. This is the maximum. E power 1 by e is the maximum. So e power 1 by e we have. Next, f of x is x power x stationary point. Stationary point means when derivative is 0. Directly in one step you can write dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Base power, power by base, derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. This is equal to 0. I told you this cannot be 0. Only these two you can equate it to 0. Before that x cancels. 1 plus log x 0 ಆಯಿತು ಹೌದಾ? So log x ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? Log x means log base x minus 1 ಆಯಿತು. x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e power minus 1. Remove log. So take exponential base e power minus 1, or I can say 1 by e. X is 1 by e, option B. So critical point, a stationary point means what? When dy by dx is 0. And to differentiate, don't use logarithm and waste time. So power by base. So first ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು. ಪವರ್ ಬೇಸು ಪವರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪವರ್ ಬೈ ಬೇಸ್ derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. Next, maximum area of rectangle inscribed in the circle. They give circle also. X minus 1 the whole square, y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 64. See, this is a function problem of maxima minima. When you inscribe a maximum area rectangle inside a circle, this will become square. That's what we have proof. So maximum minima dy by dx equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿ x ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ, and this will be radius, all those things. So but remember the results. Maximum rectangle, if you put it in square circle, it will become square. What is maximum rectangle? Maximum rectangle becomes square. Square means what? Its length and breadth both are same. Length and breadth are both are same means a and b both are same. And interesting result is length and breadth are side is root 2 times radius. What is the side of the square? Now rectangle maximum ಆದಾಗ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ is root 2 times r. If you know side, can't you find area? What is area of square? Area of square ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Side square. What is the side you got? Root 2 times r whole square. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2 times r square. Now circle is also luckily in the standard form. Circle ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ? x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. ಈಗ r square ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. r square ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? 64. So in the place of r square I'll put 64. 2 into 64. What is 2 into 64? 128. I have not differentiated. So that's why some of the maximum results will help you to do problems better and faster. If sum of two numbers is 50, product ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ as ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್? whenever you inscribe a rectangle in a circle such that if its area has to be maximum means the rectangle becomes square with side root 2 times radius of the circle. That's it. It's the fastest and simple interesting technique. What you should remember? Radius into root 2 or root 2 into radius is the side of the square, and because the rectangle is square here because sides becomes equal. Integration of 1 plus e power x. So now if you want to integrate this, I will differentiate the answer the other way. I will try derivative of the answer. If I try derivative of the answer, what I will get? Differentiation of this first option 1 by e power x plus 1 divided by e power x plus 1 goes up into derivative of internal function becomes e power x the whole square, denominator the whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator is e power x minus numerator into derivative of denominator is e power x baratte. So I am differentiating. I will see whether we will get it 1 by e power x plus 1. Now in this two I can take e power x out. e power x ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ e power x minus e power x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I can cancel these two and I have e power x, and again I can cancel these two. I will get 1 by 1 plus e power x. I tried differentiating the option 1, I got the answer. My purpose is solved. Is it interesting or not? Means differentiation and integration. Integration is also called as anti-derivative. Option answer na differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ question ಬರುತ್ತೆ integrals ಅಲ್ಲಿ. That is interesting. So I applied d by dx for this. Chain rule. Log f of x is 1 by f of x. 1 by f of x ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 by this becomes reciprocal into denominator this. If you differentiate using quotient rule, I will get this. Next, method of completing squares. So when you want to complete the square, two methods are there. Differentiating the answer, it's a blunder because differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. Completing squares does not take more time. So -9 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. -9 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will be x square. Do you agree? And remaining part x square ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -9 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಔಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಚೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಚೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 9x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 6x minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now do completing the squares. So I can write it as 3x the whole square plus 2 into 3x minus 3 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಫ್ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಕೋಶಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ, 3 by 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 3 by 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus 3. So that will become minus of 3x plus 3 by 2 the whole square, then 9 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 by 4 minus 3, 4, 9 minus 4 minus 13 by 4. Now it is in the form a square minus, and you take the minus inside now, it will become 13 by 4, 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square. In this you can take 3 common or do method of substitution. But is in a t and haki. If I take this part as t, I will get dt. So integral of, I will take this denominator, this is the thing. So root olgade, I can write this as root 13 by 2 the whole square and 3x plus 3 by 2 the whole square dx. Now put this as t. Then t ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ root of root 13 by 2 the whole square minus t. If I take this as t, t square, differentiation dt by dx gives you 3, dt by dx 3 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. I need dx. dt by dx gives you 3. I need dx, dt by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, dt 1 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ 1 by 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆರಡು ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟು. ಇನ್ನಿರೋದು ಇದೆರಡೇ. ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I'll get the answer as 1 by 3 sin inverse. What is root of 1 by integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square? Sin inverse x by a. 1 by a sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. X means what? T by a. By a means what? Root 13 by 2. And t andre enu? What is t you assumed? 3x plus 3 by 2. So idana rearrange ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ you will get the required answer. And 1 by 3. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲಂಡರ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 1 by 3. ಐ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by 3 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e power sin x into sin x plus 1 by secant x dx ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, let us go to this question. This is an interesting and simple question. If I use shortcut for this, correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು e power sin x ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಂಟು sin x plus 1, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಲ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, 1 by secantನ cos x ಬರಿಬೋದು. Now observe, this is in the form integration of e power function into function plus 1 into derivative f dash x. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, e power f of x into f of x. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e power f of x ಅಂದರೆ sin x into f of x. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ f of x? sin x. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ c ಆರ್ sin x into e power sin x into c, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Try to differentiate this and check whether you will get the same answer. Yes, you will get the same answer if you differentiate. If I differentiate this, product rule, sin x into derivative of e power sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e power sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus second function e power sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ e power sin x ಮತ್ತು cos x ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ sin x plus 1. That's it. This is a given question. This further I can write as e power sin x into 1 plus sin x or sin x plus 1 divided by secant x. Reverse method. Reverse method is hectic. Interesting shortcut ಇದು. ನೀವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ 1 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು? ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇ ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಬರೀ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್? e power f of x into f of x plus 1 into f dash x always gives you e power f of x into f of x plus c. That's it. Then minus 2 to 2 integral x cos pi x. See, pi there. So therefore in the place of x, if you take odd multiples of pi by 2, then quadrant changes. You know quadrant andre enu? 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇದು 0, ಇದು 90. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 90 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. 2 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಪೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 90 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಇದು 4 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, 2 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಸಿ. ಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಕಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 4 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. So that's why we'll split this function into 4 equal parts. So minus 2 to, first of all check whether it is odd function. Odd function ಆದರೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ cos of minus x becomes cos x, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. So it will not become odd function, but it will be even function. When you try f of minus x, ನಿಮಗೆ f of x ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. It's even. Even means first I can write 2 times 0 to 2 minus a to a can be written as 0 to a x cos pi x dx ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 4 equal parts. First I will go from 0 to half. 0 to half means x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ half ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ pi by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 to pi by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 to pi by 2 means 0 to 90. First quadrant cos is positive. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So positive x cos pi x positive. Then from 1 by 2 I will go to 3 by 2 because 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. 1 pi by 2 pi by 2. pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದೆನ್ pi by, see 1 by 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ in the place of x if I put 1 by 2 pi by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ to 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 is for this quadrant to this quadrant. Now 3 pi by 2 to ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 2 ಇಂದ my upper limit 2 ಹೋದಾಗ since I am here it is again positive x cos pi x dx. Now integrate this. All of you know the value of integration of x cos pi x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ product rule, UV rule, first into integral of second. Integral of cos is what? Sin pi x divided by pi minus integral of cos pi sin pi divided by x into derivative of x. So already one pi ಆಚೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. integration of, okay, I'll take one more step. Sin pi x divided by pi dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. All of you know integration of cos is positive, so x sin pi x divided by pi, integration of sin is minus plus cos pi x divided by pi square ಆಯಿತು. This is the integral value. This integral you put in every place and apply upper limit minus lower limit. Finally you will get 8 by pi. So answer is option A. But splitting this is important. In second and third quadrant the function is negative and here it is positive. That is important.